Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by really quick. I had ran out earlier today to do my little errands, stop off at the store, pick up some supplies, and do some other stuff. You guys probably do the same thing. So I was in the store and I'm just kind of walking through the store, looking at different things in the craft store, looking at different things, thinking to myself, what can I use to just make some novelty necklaces? Just some simple, easy novelty necklaces, right? And I could just make a bunch of them. I could sell them in bulk, just novelty, easy, simple, one, two, threes, right? So I'm in the part for the material because I bought material for the boho bracelets that I'm going to be making. So I walked by safety pins and I'm like, well, wait a minute, safety pins. My thought was when I saw the safety pins that I could maybe wrap them with some wire, maybe add a little bead on them, do a little something, something to them. But then when I got home, I said, you know what? I have a big bag of the evil eye beads. I got some sitting here on the table. So I said, well, let me try something. So when I put the beads on, this is what came out, the necklaces. So what I did do is just tie a little knot on it just to give it that extra, that extra little look. So I am making some of these, and I only bought 20 of the safety pins. And this is all I'm going to make of these. I'm going to try these out first to see how they, if they sell. I'm also going to ask my niece if she want to take some of these because I did find some beads that are cannabis beads, and I'm gonna ask her if she wants me to do some of these with the safety pin and the cannabis bead on them to see if she want to take some of those. But I like the way they look, just enough. So what I'm doing, and I think the container only has 20 beads, but this little packet came with 21 beads in it. So all I'm doing is taking the safety pin, opening the safety pin up, and I'm just taking some of the beads and just putting the bead on here. Really simple, really easy. I mean, like really nothing to it. You can make a bunch of these in a matter of seconds, really. Well, minutes. So you can literally just put them on a safety pin, and then you can just do a bunch of them, and then put the cord on. And I am closing it off with an itty bitty. I think this might be a 2 millimeter or something bead, just so it'll close the space. So if I don't put this little bead on the top right there, it'll leave too much space. So when I put this bead on there, this is how much space it leaves at the top, but it closes exactly right. So just like that. Just simple, easy little something. So that one, and I got 2, 4, 5 of them left. So I'm gonna just go ahead and bead these on the safety pin. Go ahead and put some string on it. Add these to the bunch for to be added on that website. And remember, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting everything ready for that online platform. The online platform, all I'm going to be selling on there is necklaces. So I don't want to sell anything else. No bracelets, no earrings, just little novelty type necklaces. Just something simple and easy. That's not going to take a whole lot to make. And I can make a lot at one time. So when I put that bead on there, it gets rid of all that extra space and it leaves just that little part at the tip, and it closes just like that. So you don't have no extra showing. And I'm gonna just sit here and do the rest of these. And I did pick up, I want to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up some chain, because I got an idea to make some necklaces using these colored turquoise beads that I have. And I'm thinking I want to use some actual chain, the really thin, not thin, but the small link chain. So I might leave out and go to Hobby Lobby and pick some of that up. If I don't go today, I will go tomorrow after I get out of service. So I'm off on Monday. And because I do have Monday off, my plan was to kick back and, well, not really kick back, but clean up, because I do need to clean up and purge and throw a bunch of stuff away and just kind of go through here and, just throw stuff away, wipe stuff down. At some point, things start getting dusty. So I'm going to put that like that, and then it's that way. So this is what we have. And then once I do these, I'm going to just go ahead and put them on some string. I had to order some more the black leather cord. I don't have any more of that. So I did have to order some of that. I had to get some wire. Oh, and then I picked up more wire at the store today too, because it was a sale. And then I have some wire being delivered, tomorrow. Really simple and easy, just on a bobby pin. Let's do a clear bead. And then I do have some of these frost beads, these right here. I might even try some of these, like pick up some more safety pins, and then try some other little small beads and just see, just different ones to see how they work out. So that's this. I know I was talking to somebody earlier at Balboa Park here in San Diego. Balboa Park, there's Balboa Park. There's a zoo, there's SeaWorld, there's Seaport Village, all these places here in San Diego. So we were having a conversation. And I was saying, if you think about it, all those places pretty much have what's called souvenir shops. As you guys know, when we travel, there's little souvenir shops, where we can pick up little souvenirs and stuff. So me and the person was talking, and they was like, well, you should, just kind of come up with some little items. And then the tag that would be on the item would be like, welcome to San Diego, or something that has San Diego, a picture of the, the harbor or something like such. And I was like, that's a really good idea. And I may even consider something like that, just putting something together. And the necklaces here could be something, something like that. Maybe get some custom labels, some custom tags, and just kind of do something like that. I think it's a really good idea. Then that's this one. So I did 4 of these, and I have 2 left. So this is what they look like, and then this is what they come out looking like. And all I'm doing is putting the, just putting a cord on it. Do I have a piece cut? Let's cut a piece of the cord. I was looking around in the store too to see if there was any cord I wanted to grab. No, not for them prices. I didn't want none. So all I'm doing is taking the the safety pin, the end part, that hole, put it on here. And then all I'm going to do is, because I want a knot right here, just wrap it. And then just kind of pull it down. It meaning the cord, so we can get it right at the bottom down there. And then we have the little knot there. And then we're going to go ahead and put our little knot here. Not tied too tight, just kind of loose. And then that's what we got. That simple little necklace. And how cute would this be too? White t-shirt, got your little jeans on with some cute little flip-flops that's handmade, hand decorated anyway. Hair all cute, big pair of loop earrings, right? Or if you got on a nice little graphic t-shirt, cut the top of it out and then maybe cut it down the middle part where it gives you a little slit right there. And then you got this little necklace just kind of hanging right there, resting on your chest. And then you got a cute little skirt on that might be just kind of flowing all over the place. Cute pair of sandals. Hair is cute. And maybe a nice little pair of dangle earrings. Really cute, right? But anyway, that's what I'm making now. And I'm trying to just come up with just cute little stuff for that, cute little necklaces for that website. So I got a couple other ideas in mind, some things I'm gonna work on, and that's it. Happy Saturday, and I hope everybody is having a really good day. I think I'm gonna run back out here too and go to Hobby Lobby and grab some of that chain. It's busy out there too. I mean, people just moving around, running stop signs and everything. It's just crazy. And it does not make me want to be out there, right? But this is what they're looking like. And anyway, family, we'll talk.